Horses out, we have Buena, Fortuna, past the begin classic, it ka rin between horses, Tagurano, time away, isa pa, comes next, Djokovic, Donnery inside, Terrible Guy, and unexpected is the early trailer, we have Classic Kit Kat, the leader, Bayoralenka Nehapa, Buena, Fortuna now in second, Tagurano, Dress back in third, time away now in fourth, then followed by isa pa in paper. Next in line now is Djokovic, Terrible Guy, and a long way back to unexpected. That's still Classic Kit Kat by Oralenka. Then here comes Buena Fortuna, now trying to get closer on the outside. Time away in third, Tagurano, isa pa remains in paper. And that's still Classic Kit Kat, and on the outside is Buena Fortuna. Buena Fortuna takes the lead, Classic Kit Kat, time away in third. Then followed over now by isa pa as they come down to the last 150. Buena Fortuna, time away, isa pa is on the outside. Buena Fortuna, time away, isa pa is on the outside. But still Buena Fortuna, isa pa is on the outside. And finally it's going to be Buena Fortuna, isa pa. Time away, then comes Tagurano, Classic Kit Kat, number 1, Terrible Guy, Djokovic.
All right, so